I think that's a real bell they're ringing. They do that in my town, but it's a recording, I think. Pretty loud where I'm standing. Okay, let's see what they're doing over here. I haven't been to this spot yet. I don't know what that's all about. This place is 12th century church. I think I read that. Must be the parsonage. I don't know. Or actually, I think there's a Catholic school here. I think. I've been in this town for a week, and I swear I keep finding stuff. This town never got bombed any of the wars by the good guys or the bad guys. So it's had a couple thousand years just to keep developing. I know jardin means garden. Le jardin English, the English garden. Okay. An English garden. I suppose it's inside there. I have no idea what I'm looking at here. Let's see what's up here. Oh, I have a feeling the Rance River is going to be down there. I was right. I don't want to drop my camera off this. The Rance River. And that's where I was walking last week. And that's where I lost my bag, but there's nothing in it, just an empty bag. So this is my last day in this town for this trip. Maybe come back, maybe not. This is Dinan, France. Okay.